With the Breville 816 cup food processor with all those tools. One of the more amazing tools, a tool I use all the time, is this adjustable slicer. You can see its gauge here, and you can open the gap here for doing very thin carrots, very thin salami, very thick slices of salami, you name it. It does a great job. Celery, whatever you want to do. It's a great tool. Okay, we're putting the spindle on. Now we're putting the tool on top of it. It's already adjusted. And now we're going to put the top on. We're slicing thin carrots. That's it. Into a hot dog. Now we've readjusted the blade for a little thicker. Here we go. She can use a safety tool and sliced hot dog. Making French fries. I've reset the cutter for thin French fries. We're putting the potato in. You can put more than one in, but for this demo we're just doing that. French fries. Oh my. The shredding tool, we're going to make coleslaw, which I hate hand making in a mandolin. This does it in about 5 seconds. So we're going to take this amazing block of Parmesan and turn it into finely ground Parmesan. Like I said, that solves the problem of price. It really cuts the price down versus over the counter. This is how easy it is to shred Parmesan. Oh man, look at that. Piles of Parmesan.